Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to show YouTube music on Discord status. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Since Discord does not currently offer a direct integration with YouTube Music, you'll need to use a third-party tool to connect the two services and share your listening activity automatically. To get started, open your preferred web browser, with Google Chrome being a common choice, and search for Chrome Web Store. Visit the Chrome Web Store and search for an extension called YouTube Discord Presence. Once you find it, install the extension and make sure it is enabled in your browser. After installing the extension, it will direct you to a GitHub page where the required desktop helper application is available. On the GitHub page, locate the Releases section and click on it. Here, download the most recent version that matches your operating system. When the download is complete, run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to finish the setup. After the helper application has been installed successfully, open YouTube Music in your browser and start playing any song. Within a few moments, the tool should detect the music you're listening to and update your Discord status automatically. Your Discord profile will then display the current track being played. And that's it! So that's basically how you can show YouTube Music on Discord status. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks!